Once that we finished the screenplay and all of that stuff, and we start figuring out how we're going to do this, and just to do the choreography and the blocking of the characters, yeah, we need to take a bunch of classes. Most of stuff that I didn't understand, that because it's the way that objects and things react in outer space when there's zero gravity or microgravity and no resistance is completely counterintuitive. You know, things react different than Earth. So it was a whole learning curve for me and for the animators and everybody working around the project. Yeah, I mean, like 3.5 years longer of more challenging than a normal movie. Actually, no green screens, but a bunch of different technologies that we have to invent because the technology to do what we were trying to do didn't exist. So we need to invent our own set of tools. You have a great group of geeks and very smart people around you. So it's actually interesting. It's exciting. Well, yeah, I mean, it was for us. The important thing is for us that the audiences partake with the emotional journey together with the character, and in many ways that the characters are vessels for the emotional experience of the audience. And at the end, it's a film about rebirth, and so for audiences to have a taste of that rebirth. Once that we were ready to start shooting, because the process took 4.5 years, so the first 2.5 years was just about developing the technology. And yes, through the process, you talk to a lot of people and very informal conversations. But when we were ready to shoot, pretty much this was the actors that we approached. Sandra had an amazing and very secure take on the character. The film is about adversities and this possible outcome as rebirth, and it's a theme that she felt very close, and she approached that theme very wisely, and she had an amazing discipline, and so we went through the script and explore every single moment in which her character was present to make sure that this theme was coming through. And then when we were shooting, it's amazing her discipline and her precision, because to perform what she did under this very weird, strange environment that was all this technological world, it was a real exercise of abstraction and discipline. George, I always wanted to work with him, and throughout the years we talk about doing something together, and this was a great opportunity. You know, it's just the two of them are amazing companions in the journey. They're really collaborators. You know, they're not just your actors. They are people in which you're trusting to help you create the whole cinematic experience.